When the user lifts the pen, the system will automatically detect the action and pop up the quick access to the whiteboard and annotation functions. The brush tool will remember the last used color, predicting the color in advance, and improving the consistency and efficiency of operation. Introduce and guide users through dynamic images and text to use advanced functions, such as multi-point writing, OCR recognition, and graphic recognition. The OCR recognition function converts handwritten text and graphics into editable content, which is convenient for users to edit and organize. The flexible material insertion function supports pictures and video materials, which can be zoomed, rotated and cascaded, achieving richer presentation effects.